Hello everyone, welcome to this video on how to configure the Doughnut chart widget in a dashboard using Bold BI. Let's see the overview of a Doughnut chart widget. A Doughnut chart allows you to show each item in proportion to the total in the form of donut slices. It is very useful for displaying data with a few categories. It enables the audience to compare data at a glance to make immediate analysis and decisions. Let's start configuring the Doughnut chart. This release management dashboard helps product managers track the status of different product releases via metrics like total hours worked, total completed tasks, and more. Now, I am going to recreate this release status Doughnut chart for your real-time experience. For this dashboard widget's configuration, I have added the sprint and release management data source. Let's take a quick look at the data in the data source designer and expressions used in the expression designer. Let's start creating the widget. Drag and drop the Doughnut chart from the toolbox into the design panel. Resize the widget as per the requirement. Under the Properties Data tab, I provide the widget name and its description here. Under the Assign Data tab, you'll see the Data tab opened with the available columns from the connected data source. The Doughnut chart needs a minimum of one value element and one column element to showcase data. I will bind the Tasks Count field under the Measure Value section. Then, under the Properties tab, I will modify the data label into percentage so that the widget data will be shown in percentage. Next, I will bind the Status column in the Dimensions section. To get the release tasks count percentage based on statuses, I apply descending order sorting. As you can see, the widget data has been rendered properly. The Doughnut chart has been successfully configured. Now, let me apply properties to the widget under the Properties tab. Under Basic Settings, by default, the Show Tooltip option will be enabled. It can be disabled if needed. Then, you can also enable or disable these options based on your need. Next, I will apply advanced formatting to show color variation in each data category. There are default properties that are applied when configuring the widget. Now, the widget is successfully recreated. Let's publish the dashboard to save the changes. Here, this release status widget visualizes each item in proportion to the total in the form of donut slices. The best practices of showcasing Doughnut charts are: aggregated data can be grouped into 7 or a smaller number of subcategories. Each slice of the chart can be represented with a unique color, and data labels showed in a percentage format. Next, I will show you a few dashboard examples that have used Doughnut charts. In the Construction Project Monitoring dashboard, we have used a Doughnut chart to display the work status of selected projects. In the Stack Overflow Developer Survey 2020 dashboard, the Doughnut chart shows the respondents' percentage by education levels. In the Agent Activity dashboard, the Doughnut chart displays the percentage of unresolved tickets by priority. Likewise, you can choose Doughnut charts to compare categories or groups for your projects. Please leave a comment with any questions you may have or if there are any additional features you would like to see in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.